So from street food on the other day to eating with your hands, new experience. So today we have some home cooked food. We have some plain rice, some omelette with some vegetables in the mix, some dal and some cauliflower with potato. I'm not sure yet how to actually mix all of this with my hands, actually start eating it. Probably I'll use the spoon eventually. Well, let's try to avoid it. So yeah, bon appetit.
Wait, maybe.
No, I want to eat. No, I'm hungry. Plus,
Just that one.
half of this will be.
Yeah, it's been like you haven't been eating, you know.
So is it supposed for you to use both hands or just one?
Just one.
Like this.
You're supposed to eat with right hand.
Right.
Why will?
It's up to you. Yeah. This is good.
What do you think?
I'm that person that actually eats shrimp with a fork and a knife. So. Wow.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay, maybe a little bit of salt. I don't like to get my hands dirty, I just told you. What?
Oh wow. I should learn.
You should learn.
Yeah. That's a new technique indeed.
Take this and have
It's
it.
not bad.
वो light दिया रहा है.
I feel the pressure.
It's
North Eastern people and then people from Bhutan also. But yeah. We have this habit of
Okay.
eating with hands.